For our executive summary, firstly, we have choose courier service Post Laju that operates under the Post Malaysia Berhad for our company. Secondly, this company provides national postal service and is the sole license for universal postal service in our country. In preparing for our assignment, we have done the research and found various problems faced by customers with this company. Based on our observation, we have found a solution for the effectiveness of our service. Once a solution has been found to a customer problem, one of the most effective discussion is used to alleviate the exciting problem from the customer. To ensure the effectiveness and smooth operation for our company, we have built a strong team with our skills in their respective division. Lastly, the solution proposed by us is that on-time delivery is the best way to improve our quality of our company. We believe that such an approach or solution can provide the best service to customers and maximum satisfaction to them.
The project background is about problem that facing by consumer in post-laju company. The first problem is the delivery item was damaged. It can be seen through the poor quality of delivery. Company staff who do not focus on the safety of good by not isolating the type of good as example of fragile good. In addition, consumers could placed in warehouse or thrown away rudely on the pretext of speeding up staff duties. Second, consumer goods are delivered late. This happens because of the dumping of goods in the warehouse due to certain seasons, for example, the month of Ramadan. Moreover, this issue occurs when there are delivery staff who are unskilled in handling the map and the vehicle they use is old, which ultimately result in the delivery of goods to the consumer being delayed. This causes the consumer good to not be delivered on time. Third, staff are not friendly. In this era of technology, which has forced consumers to learn technology, there are staff who find it difficult to answer consumer questions and are arrogant to teach them. There are staff who are in warehouse who choose goods that goes damaged. This poor service has caused consumers to get mad and will not repeat the choice of choosing delivery service from Post Laju company. Next, the objective of the proposal is to solve the problem that mentioned. The objective is to maintain a good quality of service to consumer. Therefore, the staff working for the company need to take care of themselves professionally and ethically in serving the attitude of consumer to achieve consumer satisfaction. In addition, the delivery of goods to consumer must be within the time frame that has been set in addition to having a reasonable price. This can be guaranteed to maintain the quality of service and still be the choice of the consumer. Second, objective is to retain regular customer. Shipping companies have been marketed a lot of various brands, so there is a lot of competition in the world of shipping. Therefore, Postlaju need to maintain the quality of service to retain rigid consumer by improving quality in the warehouse by using technology to segregate the type of good and prevent damage to consumer good. Company can also provide class to employees to produce more professional employees. In addition, Postlaju need to renew the delivery system by establishing an effective delivery schedule as well as renewing appropriate vehicle for delivery staff.
Proposed solution. Firstly, we will ensure that packages get delivered on time. There are some customers who complain that the delivery of their goods does not provide satisfaction in terms of delivery time, where most of their belongings do not reach their hands and within the specified period or more than the allot time frame. Therefore, Poslaju will ensure that the packages will be delivered on time. Secondly, packages get delivered on the right address and undamaged. Many complaints from customers about parcels not arriving at home. The parcel found they received were damaged and get to enjoy customer who use the service. Therefore, the Post Laju will ensure packages get delivered on the right address and undamaged. Thirdly, we will strive to establish good communication to customers. This is also one of the problems faced by Post Laju, where customers do not provide the exact home address and provide the old home address. This has caused Post Laju to have difficulty delivering parcels to customers who provide inaccurate home addresses. Thus, we will strive to establish good communication to customers. And lastly, we will ensure delivery drivers are friendly. Many complaints have also been made, and there have been complaints about faulty parcel as Postlaju staff remove customer parcels. Therefore, we will take disciplinary action to our staff so that this does not happen again and becomes a hot issue to the detriment of our service image. With that in mind, we will always keep the delivery drivers friendly.
Solution requirement, team description. This is an organizational chart of the company consisting of position, Chief Executive Officer, Chief Operating Officer, Chief Human Resources Officer, Operation Manager, Sales and Marketing Manager, and also Customer Service. CEO is the person who holds the highest position in company or organization. CEO in charge overseeing all company's operation, which include ensuring that all operations and business activities generate the required outcomes and are in line with the company's overall strategy and objective. Chief Executive Officer. Chief Executive Officer is a dual post that combines the executive and management roles. Chief Operating Officer, ensuring that all elements of operation function very well every day and that any difficulties that arise are addressed. Chief Human Resource Officer. Chief Human Resource Officer is responsible for establishing and implementing human resource strategy in support of the organization business plan and strategic direction. Operation Manager. Operation Manager responsibility is ensure that the appropriate process and practice are followed throughout the organizations. They improve our operational management system, process, and best practice while maximizing process and procedure and achieving customer expectation in terms of cost effectiveness. Sales and Marketing Manager. The Sales and Marketing Manager is in charge of leading a team of experts participating in the company's sales and marketing efforts. In order to meet company's marketing objective, they also conduct research and establish marketing opportunities and plans, as well as assess consumer needs, detect market trends, and offer system improvements. Customer Service. Customer service employees assist customers with complaints and inquiries, provide product and service information, accept purchase, and process return. They are responsible of immediately respond to customer question as well as acknowledge and resolve customer complaints.
Solution requirement in qualities or value. First, growth. We are consistently aiming to grow both as individuals and as a company. Growth strategy is important because it ensures the company strive towards goals that go beyond what is happening in the market today. This growth keeps both leader and employees focused and elegant, and that forces us to think long term in order to achieve the goal our company wants. Secondly, teamwork. Fostering teamwork is part of creating a work culture that value collaboration. Rather than encourage competition, a culture of teamwork creates opportunities for employer to work together and use all available resources and skill to reach business-wide goal. Next, balance. Work-life balance is an important aspect of a healthy work environment. Maintaining work-life balance help reduce stress and help prevent burnout in the workplace. A healthy balance system gives co-workers have more energy and strength and help move freely and confidently. We will able to work in good vibes and able to do work in a organized and system manner. Next, innovation. We are always looking for thoughtful, broad-minded, and forward-thinking ideas to further increase our customer level of trust in the service provided. Lastly, integrity. We should perform all the responsibilities that have been promised to customer in a transparent and sincere manner. We will ensure that our service always run well and smoothly as promised for the satisfaction of customer.
So, a conclusion and recommendation about this project is we are confident that with our help, post-ledger services and performances will be enhanced and get better over time. We can see that the problem that have been encountered by this company involve the problem with customer satisfaction and operational system. Our approach to these problems is guaranteed to be one of the best ways and will change the company operations standard, hence avoid the problem from happening repeatedly. For example, what we can recommend for the problems that include the lack of manners and unfriendly workers is the company need to be more precise and filter all the candidates before accepting them to be part of the company operational workers. Any workers that reported to be rude and display negative attitudes towards customers should be taken immediate action. This is to ensure any types of threat towards the company reputation and customer satisfaction can be avoided. All in all, the company relies greatly on both of these elements to stay relevant and generate enough revenue to keep operating and become the leading courier services company locally and globally in the future.